it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a VR for Maria Reyes, and that is her YouTube channel name, and her IG is Pretty Crafty. All of her information will be linked down in the description box. Now this VR for Maria is a really good cause. She is asking for just one holiday card. She wants to distribute these out in the nursing home so that residents can fill them out and mail them to their families, being that this year it's most likely that most residents will be unable to go out on a pass with their family during holiday time. And I'm very familiar with this as I'm the director of food service and dietitian at a nursing home myself. And Thanksgiving's next week, and as of now, because of COVID, they're not able to go out with their families. And the way things are going, it definitely doesn't look bright for Christmas and whatever other winter, holidays, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. So it really is nice to provide these cards, and this is a really nice cause. I kind of wish I had thought to do this for my residents, but maybe next time I could try and put something like this together. So let me show you guys the cards that I've been working on. One of these I'll be sending to Maria, and I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with the other cards as of yet, but I've been making some holiday cards just to get started. I have 4 cards here that I've worked on, guys, and I made a matching envelope for, and they're all shakers. So yeah, this is my first one, guys, and I really love it. Has the Santa image in there, and I just dazzled it up with just a little believe and lace behind there, and just some other blings. And I really think this came out cute. Very nice card for somebody to give out. And then I had the Cricut draw out its winter y'all, and I thought that was a very cute card. And I stamped the back, of course, and then I made this one. And yeah, these are mostly girly cards, so I did think of maybe trying to create a male card as well to send her 2 different cards. So this is my second one, and this one I kind of tried to make like a snow globe shaker. So that's what it is. And then this is a little embellishment that was gifted to me, and it just went on here so perfectly. I used the gold trim, the little shine sticker, and inside I again used a little sentiment. I wasn't made for winter, just super cute. And I put white, I matted cardstock white so that they could write no problem, and I still have to stamp this one. So that's my number 2 shaker card. Now this one over here, it's just a giant circle here, circle shaker, and this I cut out of the pattern paper. All is calm, all is, what does it say? All is calm, all is bright, yep. And I thought this one was really cute also. They're all a little different, but very similar. So this one here, just a little blings, and this one inside, I used some washi, but because I didn't mat the inside. How did I do this? What I did was on this one, I made it double-sided, which I kind of liked matting it like this better, because when I made it double-sided and then I folded it, it looked a little wonky in the middle, but I still think it's cute, definitely worth giving out, even though it has that washi in there. So I will be using this card somehow. I love it, and it has an envelope also. And then my 4th card and final card I'm sharing today is this one here. This one's so super cute too. I made a different type of frame shape like that, and shakers, little shaker bits in there, and behind it I have the lace. I have a little lace under here, the believe and the blingies, and this little penguin guy here too. Really cute. And I matted this one, and I wasn't made for winter again. And yeah, I thought this format was the best, so I ended up double-siding it and then also matting with white paper. And I do plan to make some more cards like this, So, yep, these are the cards. So I went ahead and created another card for Maria to give out that was more masculine, and this was the card that I created for her, and I had no good masculine colors like traditional. So what I did was take this bag here from the Dollar Tree, and I cut it, and I used it for the front side and the outer cover. And then on the inside, I matted it with white cardstock, and what I decided to do was take out this ribbon I had and I stitched it on a red piece of cardstock, and then I glued that panel to the front of this card, and then I made the Happy Holidays banner, and I used this snowman that was from the Dollar Tree headband. So it has that extra layer with the cardstock and the ribbon, and I think it looks so cute. So now I have this card to give her to hand out to one of the nursing home residents, and I made a red matching envelope, and simple as can be. I just used stuff laying around the house that I had, and it all seemed to work out. Alright guys, that's it for today. That is my VR for Maria Reyes. Hope you guys will go by and check out her challenge and create a card if you have time to, and if you're crafty like that. That would be really super sweet. And as always guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!